Guys, welcome back to the channel. And what? The second good old T4 over there that we just turned around and told you about our little flip project. Okay. I wouldn't say that, it's a joy to buy stuff at auctions, it happens. And because I was too both
air-filled water bottle, moved power steering, took the auxiliary belt off, and now I'm just about to move an idler water pump.
Fair play. And when Mark's doing that, I'm going to go inside and I can see if I can open it. Right,
you can do it.
Yeah, let's put you guys on time lapse and let's see if we can manage to fling a door into that. What going on down here then, mate?
Just access the, clean this back off, get the Tommy marks.
Better turn the compressor on then.
We better.
Heat it up for a bit and then I'll cut back in a little.